Hey Premier fans, it's Mike Southwick with Premier's Tech Department, and today we're going to go through an unboxing on the Edge Revolver 6-position chip. So we've already got our items outside the box. The first item, we're going to see some Scotch-Brite and an alcohol wipe to clean the ECM contacts. This is an ECM out of an 01 7.3 liter Power Stroke. And then a couple of zippy ties there to zippy tie the cables underneath and get them out of the way underneath the dash. We got the set tool to attach the knob to the switch itself. And then we also have just a dial indicator. Got the cable itself, got the chip itself, and just gonna kind of walk you through on how to burn them. You will want to attach the chip to the burner before you open the program. Just snaps right on there. And then move over, open the program itself, and it's already booted up. It's really quick. You want to hit load file. Open up your file and make sure it's the right code and matches your vehicle, which this one is a VDH4. Bring up the file, hit burn chip, and then just play the waiting game for a few minutes. And then next we're going to go over to the truck and show you how to actually install the chip and get it all mounted up.